Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to talk about the Moist Skin Barrier Restoring Cream. If you have rough or flaky skin, then this product is definitely for you. What's great about this cream is that it can be used on both your face and body. It's hydrating and revitalize, which is exactly what your skin needs to look and feel its best. And one of the key benefits of this cream is that it helps restore your skin natural barrier, and this is important because when your skin barrier is compromised, it can lead to all sorts of issues like dryness, irritations, and even breakouts. The formula is also non-greasy and absorb quickly into the skin. So you don't have to worry about feeling sticky or oily after using it. Overall, I highly recommended the Moist Skin Barrier Restoring Cream if you are looking for a product that will help hydrate and revitalize your skin. It's perfect for those with rough, flaky skin who want to restore their skin natural barriers. To use this cream, start by cleansing your cream thoroughly, then apply a small amount of the cream or to your face and body, focusing on your areas that the perfectly dry or rough. Massage the cream into your skin using circular motion until it's fully absorbed. One of things I love about this cream is that it's formulated with natural ingredients like shea butter and jojoba oil, which are known for their hydrating and nourishing properties. It helps contain caramelize, which help to strengthen your skin natural barriers and protect it from environmental stress. I want to to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and I couldn't do this without you. Creating content that entertain and inspire you is my passion, and I am grateful for the opportunity to do what I love every day. Whether you have been following me from the beginning or just recently discovered my channel, I appreciate each and every one of you. I am committed to bringing you the best content possible, and I am always looking for ways to improve and grow as a creator. Your feedback and comment are incredible valuable to me, so please keep them coming. And if you have not already, please consider subscribing to my channel so you never miss a new video. And if you enjoy my content, please share it with your friends and family. Once again, thank you for your support, and it means more than words can express. I can't wait to continue creating content that brings joy and inspiration to your life. Till then, bye, take care guys, and thank you for watching my video.